Welcome to another lesson that is part of the TI-30XPlus MathPrint student course. In this lesson we will be covering angle format conversions. Conversions between degrees and radians are handled in the following manner. To change from radians to degrees. Note that on the calculator display it is in degree mode. Enter the number 2 and then choose Math, DMS, R to indicate that you are referring to 2 radians. When you press enter, the answer is 114.59 approximately. And that's because in degree mode it is assumed that you wish to have working with degree format. For degrees to radians, let's try the example of converting 30 degrees. First of all, press mode and change the mode for angles to radian. If you press clear, you return to the calculator page. Type 30, and then to indicate that you're referring to 30 degrees, press Math, DMS, and degrees. When you press enter, because you're in radian mode, the angle will be converted to the equivalent, which is pi on 6 radians. And that is it for this lesson. Thank you.